Once again, if your program opens up sort of this way, where you just have a partial window, just go up here to Window, Arrange, and Standard. And then Final Cut will fill the screen. It'll make it a lot easier for you to work. Yesterday we talked about bringing pictures down onto the timeline, either one at a time or multiple images at the same time by holding the Shift key and then dragging them down onto the timeline. Once you drag them down onto the timeline, sometimes you can't see all of them, so you need to scroll with your scroll bar to see all the images. You can hold the Shift key and click on the letter Z, and that will bring all your pictures into view. If I play my work, I can see the picture change as the timeline scrolls through. This is called the cut. We talked yesterday about adding a transition, and the transition will go directly between the two images. You hold your cursor right there. You go up to your effects palette. You go to video transitions, and you click which transition you like. In this case, I'm going to take a cross dissolve. And then as I play my video, you'll see up in the screen how the cross dissolve fades one picture into the next. The other thing that we did also too was zoom out a little bit up here to make it possible to stretch the picture out in proportion to fill the screen. The last thing we want to talk about in this project before we talk about music is adding titles. And titles are added over here at the bottom of the viewer window. There's a little icon with the letter A on it. Just go ahead and zoom out. Click on the letter A, go down to Text and Text. And here you'll see the word Sample Text. If I drag Sample Text down onto the picture, it's going to be the same duration as my image. The text is transparent, and as I play it, you'll see the text over the image. It just simply says Sample Text. To change the sample text, double-click the title that you just made and go up to the Controls palette. Type in a new title. You can change the size. You can change whether it's bold or italic. You could change the font. You could change the color. If I wanted to use a color from the picture, I would click on this eyedropper, and maybe I'll make it green, or maybe I'll make it brown. But be sure that your text is readable. This is the same rule that applies to our images in motion class. So there you have the title. One title, it comes in and it stays over the image. If you want to shorten the duration of the title, simply click on the text going in this direction, and then the text will be a little bit shorter. The default duration for the text should be about 3 seconds. And that's how you add your first title.